The Raglan line is the heart of a top-down sweater, but it doesn't have to be just a functional seam. It can be a work of art. Some Raglan increases are designed to be almost invisible, blending seamlessly into the fabric. Others are bold and decorative, follows the line all the way the sleeve, or even continues down the entire side of the sweater to the hem. Welcome to part 1 of my series on decorative Raglan increases. Today I'll show you 4 different ways to increase a Raglan while adding a bit of a twist. This is a beautiful structured Raglan increase featuring a defined center line framed by 2 1x1 lines. We will use the right lifted increase, RLI, and the left lifted increase, LLI. To start, knit until 1 stitch remains before the center lines. Lift the loop below the stitch, knit it, and then immediately knit the stitch above. Next, slip 1 stitch with the yarn over and back. Purl 1 stitch, and slip another stitch with the yarn over and back. Finally, knit the next stitch and lift a loop from the same column 2 rows below. That is the left lifted increase, LLI. Wrong side, purl all purls and knit central stitch. If working in the round, next round knit all stitches and purl central stitch. Want to level up your top-down sweaters? Skip the basic yarn over and try this braided cable Raglan increase. It's decorative, structural, and looks high-end. This Raglan seam is a 6-stitch braid. We'll be increasing 1 stitch on both sides of this cable every right side row. Work across your sleeve body stitches until 1 stitch remains before the cable. First, we do a K1B, knit 1 below. Knit into the stitch below the next stitch on your left needle. Purl the top stitch. Now work your 6-stitch cable panel as established. First, twist the first 4 stitches. Then, on row 3, twist stitches 3 through 6 to create this braided pattern. Continue with purl 1 stitch. Knit into the stitch 2 rows below the stitch just worked on your right needle. On the wrong side, just purl all stitches, including your new increases, to keep that stockinette background smooth. This decorative increase would also work beautifully for a V neckline. This is a beautiful, intricate 3 to 5 starburst increase. It creates a very decorative, floral-like cluster on either side of a slipped central stitch. It's a sophisticated choice because it adds both width and a heavy textured bloom to your Raglan line. You have a central stitch which acts as your spine. The decorative work happens on the 3 stitches before the CS and the 3 stitches after it. Insert needle into the next 3 stitches as if to knit them together from the front. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1 all into those same 3. Slide them off the needle. You have turned 3 stitches into 5s. The central spine, slip 1 stitch purlwise with yarn over and back. Slip the next 3 stitches to the right needle to change their direction. Then return them to the left needle. Insert needle into these 3 stitches from behind. Knit 1, yarn over. Knit 1, yarn over. Knit 1 all into those 3. Slide them off. If knitting flat, row 2, purl everything. Row 3, knit everything, but slip the central stitch with yarn over and back. Row 4, purl everything. If knitting circular, rounds 2 and 4, knit everything. Round 3, knit everything, but slip the central stitch with yarn over and back. The pattern creates a starburst or leaf effect that is much more structural than a standard increase. This example is a decorative raglan increase with a defined center line and 2 1x1 braids on both sides. It features 3 different increases: a yarn over, a knit one below, and a lifted increase. Depending on the project you are working on, whether it's for summer or winter, you have a beautiful option to choose from. We start with combining yarn over with twisted stitches. Before twisted stitches, bring a yarn over. When twist the first 2 stitches. This gives that sharp, defined edge to the increase. Move 1 stitch to the right needle with a yarn over in the background. This adds volume and depth to the center of the raglan line. Mirror the other side by twisting the next 2 stitches. Finish the sequence with 1 last yarn over. Purl all stitches on the wrong side, or if you are knitting in the round, knit all stitches on the next row. For a subtle increase, you can use a lifted increase, right-leaning RLI and left-leaning. Knit into the mother stitch, but do not drop the top stitch yet. Knit it immediately after. If you want a more visible increase, use a knit one below K1B. Instead of just the loop, knit into the center of the stitch itself. Again, do not drop the top stitch, knit it as well. It's great to have different options, don't you think? I hope these 4 decorative raglan increases have inspired your next top-down project. Whether you prefer the intricate floral look of the starburst or the sleek structured lines of a lifted increase, each one brings its own unique character to your knitting. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow and keep bringing you more cozy creativity. In part 2 of this series, we'll be exploring more complex and beautiful raglan increases.